Jatend piny William Ruto oyawo ayanga apisi malok tich ma kaunti ma Homa Bay kopuoyo tend kaunti no kuom okang' maduong' ma kamano kendo jiwo kauntis mamoko mondo luw ling'anyno. Kamano bende, Ruto oyawo kar nindo mar jopuonjre e mbalariany ma Tom Mboya e kind chenro mamoko mag dongruok. Jatend piny osingo gero kuonde jot ne jopuonjre e kuonde tiegruok mag piny owacho pacho ka mangima.
Bamba la maelezo makofi. Hatimaye sasa utepe ishara tosha kwamba hatimaye county headquarters imefunguliwa rasmi.
It is a very pleasant surprise to me that the county government of Homa Bay, working with CPF, have come up with an innovative mechanism of delivering on this building, on a program that is going to see county government of Homa Bay use this facility as they pay for it. Congratulations to all of you. I think it is a moment that other counties can learn from what Homa Bay is doing. This morning, I also signed into law a legislation that is going to provide for the independence of our legislature at the county government level. Another milestone in consolidating the place of devolution. Now, county assemblies can work much more effectively, much more efficiently, with independence.
Dul magero chruok mar ratich oganda